welcome back to my channel. It is me, the Makeup Traveler here. So today we got some special goodies going on because I got my lights. And I got my backdrop in the mail recently. So you already know what that means. That means more lit videos and better backdrops. Because nobody wants to be plain Jane, regular with just a regular wall. You gotta add some pizzazz to your videos. So that's what I did. That's actually one of my goals for 2018 is as my channel progresses, I gotta invest back into it. That gives you better quality, better videos, better everything all around. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscription button. Don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so that way you can be updated anytime I upload anything here on my channel. Definitely leave a comment down in the comment section below. I love to read your comments. I reply back to all comments. So definitely leave those down there. And I'll also leave a link in the description box as to where I got my items from and how much they cost. So yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling on and we're gonna jump right into the video.
Alright guys, we're going to get started with the umbrella lights. You're going to take each stand out of its boxes. You're also going to make sure that you take the umbrella stand and the light fixture out of its casings as well. You're going to connect the light fixture to the stand. It has a hole in the bottom of it. Well, it has 3 holes on the side. One of the holes is actually where you're going to insert it onto the stand and you're going to screw it into place. You're going to insert the umbrella stick into a small hole right under the light fixture, and you're going to secure that as well with the screw on the side. You're going to insert your light bulbs, and what I did, I made sure that it worked. So I plugged it into the wall and then turned it on, made sure that everything was okay, everything was cool, and you can adjust these stands to as high or as short as you need to. I did it to where, I can actually see what's going on, but you can definitely adjust these stands to the height that you need it to be at. Now with the backdrop stand, you're going to make sure that you have all of your pieces out on the floor or on the wall, wherever your workstation is. You're going to make sure you have all of your pieces out. So you're going to go ahead and stretch out the legs the same as what you did with your umbrella lights. You're going to stretch those out. You're going to make sure that you have all of your bars. Now this particular stand came with 4 bars. I personally didn't use all 4 bars because my space isn't large enough for 4 bars as of yet. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the bars. They're labeled A, B, and D. I don't know why they skipped out on C, but they did. So you're going to just connect the bars together. And once you get the amount of bars connected for the amount of space that you need, you're going to assemble them onto the stand itself. Now the stand itself, it comes with a screw and 2 stoppers. Now one of those stoppers you're going to leave on the stand because that's going to be a border between the bars and the stand itself. You're going to take one of the stoppers off, connect the bars, put the stopper back on, and screw on the screw. Once you have that done, you can adjust these as well to the height that you need, just like you did with the umbrella lights. You're just going to connect them in the middle, and bam, you're done. Quick, easy, straightforward, to the point. It wasn't that difficult at all. So if this video is helpful, don't forget to look down in the description bar. I have the links down there to where you can find all of these items.
Alright guys, well that concludes today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I cannot wait to use my new lights, my new backdrop. We on our way. Like, we legit on our way. We already on our way to 100K. We just got some new lights. We just got a new backdrop. These videos finna be lit. I'm so freaking excited. If you guys haven't already subscribed to my channel, bro, what are you doing? What is you doing? You done already came back for multiple videos. You liking my videos. You commenting on my videos. Go ahead and subscribe. It's free. It don't cost nothing. Nathaniel. Zip. Nada. So yeah. With that being said, don't forget to comment down below. I read all of your comments. I reply to all of your comments. I love being interactive with my followers. It really just, makes us more as a family if we just interact together and, just grow together. I'm excited. I am excited. My lips dry. I am excited. So I'm going to stop going on and yeah. I love you guys. And Lord willing, I will see you all in my next video. Peace.